Hello guys, New Apple Times here, welcome to a new video, and in today's video I'm going to show you a really cool trick that can make your watch really come to life. And I mean, really. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is a really simple process that will only take a few steps. First one is to install in your device a GIF app such as Giphy. In my case, I already have it installed. So, not here. So I'm just gonna open it. Here you can see we have tons of GIFs supported and we have categories that we can explore. But in my case I'm just gonna search for Lego, for example. So here we have all the GIFs that are related to my search. And in my case I choose this one. Once we have chosen it, we have to save it as a live photo. To do that, we just tap these three little dots right here and tap the live photos icon. Now it will ask me if I want to save it as a full screen live photo or if I wanted to adjust it to fit it to the screen. In my case, I'm gonna save it full screen and it's already saved. So now I'm going to jump to my Photos app, and if I 3D touch, it will replay the GIF. So now I have to tap edit, and here we have to select the keyframe. Now take into account that the frame that you select here will be the end of your animation. So in my case, I'm going to put it at the end. So we tap make key photo here, and then tap done, and we're good to go. Now everything that we have left is select the create watch face extension, and now we can choose if we want a kaleidoscope or a photo watch face. Here we're going to select photo, and you can select up to 2 complications. So for example, we can select whether we want the time at the top or at the bottom. I'm gonna put it at the top, and the complications, you can select them here, for example above battery, and below time we can add our date. So we will tap add, and the process is done. Now we just have to wait for a few seconds until it is able to load into your watch, and then if I do this here, I can see that every time I flip my wrist I will see the animation on my Apple Watch. So yeah, this is everything we have to do. Okay, so as you can see, it's a really simple trick, and the possibilities are literally endless. You can choose whatever GIF you like and choose whatever part you want to make your watch face just as cool as you want it, so when you look the time it's even greater. So yes, this has been this video. I hope this trick was useful for you. If it was, please thumbs up, and if you have any questions, leave them down below and I will do my best to answer. So yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page that I will link down below. So yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.